how much the voters' thought process has changed in the last 10, 12 years, since you've been advising and till now you're actually becoming an activist yourself. Has anything changed? Because, we all believe that the voter is very with us or against us. You're either pro-Hindu, you're anti-Hindu, you're pro-minority, you're pro-caste, you're pro-your caste, you're not your caste. So has what the voter wants from the politician, has that changed or is it still the same that's always been? Wohi roti, kapda, makan, mera kya?
See, the voters are not separate class. They are merely reflection of, so they are a subset of society.
Yes.
So as society change, the voters will also change. If earlier society was consuming information through inlands and postcards, today in society we are consuming more information through Facebook, Insta and Google. So voters are also consuming. The voters are not different entities. If there is caste in society, then there will be caste in politics. If there is decline in moral values in society, you will see that happening in politics as well. So I do not see it as a standalone phenomena that voters are, it's not that
I understand.
Me, Prashant Kishore, as an individual would have a different rules to live my life, and as a voter I would have a different rules to live by. If I am in society, people are getting more radical, it will also reflect in the voters' behavior.
But
Broad trend, if I look at real macro data, I don't see a major shift, behavioral shift or ideological shift in India. Even for this Hindutva thing and some of the news that comes that disturbs a lot of people, it's not new thing. This Hindu-Muslim divide is not something that has started happening in last 4 years or 10 years. This was always there, almost like more than a century ago. It's just that some of those elements who otherwise were not saying these things or doing these things on the street are finding or getting emboldened in a supportive environment to come and say those things more loudly on social media or on the streets. But it was always there in society. Some of the ideological, I would say, fault lines between Hindu-Muslim always existed. Leaders